Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076, and again I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076, and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. Then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, etc. And you can join and you can prepare for the GATE data science, CMI data science also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the GATE 2025 data science paper, and the question is telling us that consider the cumulative distribution function CDF where our fxx is equals to 0, where our x is less than equals to minus 1 by 4 x plus 1 whole square, where our x is lying between minus 1 to 1, and our fxx is equals to 1, where our x is greater than equals to 1. So now the value of probability where our x square is less than equals to 0.25. So there are four options here, which are 0.25, 0.625, 0.5 and 0.565. Okay, so what can be done? So we are given the cumulative distribution function, which is this. So we need to compute probability when our x square is greater than equals to 0.25. Okay, so now we are going to rewrite the probability, which is this: x square is less than equals to 0.25. That means our so our x is lying between 0.5 to 0.5. Sorry, it will be minus 0.5 to 0.5. Okay, so now thus our probability of this thing, that means so our probability of x square less than equals to 0.25, that is equals to probability where our x is lying between this. Am I right? Okay. So now we are going to use the CDF. So the probability where our probability x is lying between 0.5 to 0.5 can be computed using the CDF as, that will be what? That is equals to f of 0.5 minus f of minus 0.5. Okay, so now what we will get? So now, as we know that our 0.5 is lying between minus 1 to 1, and for this case also this is lying between this, so our 0.5, so that will be equals to 1 by 4 into 0.5 whole square plus 1, sorry, that will be, yeah, this, minus, that will be 1.4 into, that is minus 0.5 plus 1 whole square. So that is equals to what? So that will be, that will be 1 by 4 upon, and that is a 1.5 whole square minus, that will be 0.5 whole square. So that is equals to what? So that is equals to 4 into, that will be 1.5 plus, that is 0.5 into, that will be 1.5 minus 0.5. So that is equals to 1 by 4 into 2 into, that is 1. So that is equals to what? That is equals to our 0.5. Okay, so this is the correct answer of this question. So which is our option C. So this is our correct answer of this question. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav sir's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.